Spelling, Week 26. Double consonants plus Y. Number 1. Carry. Carry. Please help me carry this box. Carry. Carry. Number 2. Bunny. Bunny. The bunny has big ears. Bunny. Bunny. Number 3. Happy. Happy. The clown made the children happy. Happy. Number 4. Number 4. Muddy. Muddy. I will take off my muddy shoes. Muddy. Muddy. Number 5. Berry. Berry. What kind of berry is on that bush? What kind of berry do you like to eat? Berry. Number 6. Furry. Furry. A hamster is a small furry animal. Furry. Number 7. Puppy. Puppy. The puppy is just 6 weeks old. The puppy is just 6 weeks old. Puppy. Number 8. Sorry. Sorry. She felt sorry for the hurt bird. Sorry. Sorry. Number 9. Merry. Merry. Everyone at the party was merry. Merry Christmas, she said to her grandmother. Merry. Number 10. Jelly. Jelly. I eat peanut butter with jelly. Jelly. Number 11. Hurry. Hurry. We hurry to catch the bus. Hurry. Hurry. Number 12. Pretty. Pretty. Erica looks pretty in that dress. Pretty. Number 13. Cherry. Cherry. This cherry is big, red, and ripe. Cherry. Cherry. Number 14. Worry. Worry. Did Pam worry about her lost dog? Worry. Worry. Number 15. Funny. Funny. The joke Matt told was funny. Funny.